Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, how do you get infinite coins in Blooket? Okay, that doesn't require any hacks. Well, the coins in Blooket are in term basically infinite, because basically what you need to do is play each of every game and traverse through any of these levels like Spooky, Alien, Frankenstein Bucket, Caramel Apple. You just have to play it in order for you to have your infinite coins, so to say, and just basically input your game ID here. What else? And basically once you're done with that, it all basically boils down to consistency, on how consistent are you with these games. Just basically a game that requires consistency in each of every level, especially the medieval packs, and that you accumulate. Look at this, 25 coins and tokens each. So if you play all this, you could basically have infinite loop of these things. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.